Hi students, welcome to our physics class now. So in this class we are going to explain the solution of some problems in refraction of light at plane surfaces. Refraction of light at plane surfaces. So some numerical problems. So this is a part 1 this video. So we can explain here clearly the solution of some problems based on the topics you learned in refraction of light in plane surfaces, students. So now first one, the speed of light in diamond. Problem number 1, the speed of light in diamond is given as 1,24,000 kilometers, 24,000 kilometer per second. Find the refractive index of the diamond if the speed of light in air is 3 lakhs kilometer per second. So we want to find refractive index of diamond. It is denoted by n. If the speed of light in air is also given, speed of light in air is also given, v is 3 lakhs kilometer per second. So then we want to find refractive index of the prism of the diamond. So students, once again telling the problem, the speed of light in diamond is given as 1,24,000 kilometer per second, and if the speed of light in air is 3 lakh kilometer per second, what will be the refractive index of the diamond we want to find? So it is taken as a n is a question mark, small n. So we know the formula, but speed of light in air is here taken as a c, students. C, that is, we know that formula for refractive index, n is equals to c by v. This implies c value 3 lakhs kilometer per second by 1,24,000 kilometer per second. Kilometer per second will be cancelled. So now 3 zeros will be cancelled. N is equals to 300 by 124, 2 150s, 2 62s, 150 by 62, 2 75s, 231. So 75 by 31. So divide 75 with 31, you can get 2.42. So this is refractive index of the diamond. Refractive index of the diamond, students. So once again repeating the problem. If the speed of light in diamond is 1,24,000 kilometer per second, find the refractive index of diamond if the speed of light in air is 3 lakh kilometer per second. So this is the solution for this problem. So now we go to next one, students. You may take this one screenshot. So you can write in the notebook after taking this one screenshot, students. So refraction of light at plane surfaces, numerical problems, part 1 video, first one. Second problem in this chapter, Refractive index of glass relative to water is given 9/8. Refractive index of glass relative to question number 2. Refractive index of glass relative to water is given 9/8. So consider this is taken as N21. So it here medium glass and medium water. So comparing the refractive index of glass with water, it is given 9/8. But we can also call this one as a relative refractive index of glass. Relative refractive index of glass with respect to water. So now what is the refractive index of water relative to glass? Relative to glass. So consider it is taken as N12. We want to calculate. So if the refractive index of glass relative to water is 9/8, then what is the refractive index of water relative to glass? This is the problem. This is the question. So now what is the solution? But about this one, we did a video, that is relation between N12 and N21 in the relative refractive index, students. So you can watch that video and you can understand what is the relation between N21 and N12. Derivation, the relation between N21 and N12 in the relative refractive index topic. So we know that N21 is equals to 1 by N12. So this derivation is there in the previous video. The video name is relative refractive index. This implies N12 is equals to 1 by N21. 1 by N21. So 1 by N21 is 9/8. 1 by 9/8, which is 8/9. So this is the refractive index of water relative glass or water relative to glass, students. Simple, objective type, in competitive exams will be useful. So this formula, so not understanding the derivation of this formula, thinking that this formula how it came, means that you can go to a video relative refractive index topic in our channel. So clearly their derivation topic is there. N21 is equals to 1 by N12. Similarly N12 is equals to 1 by N21. Students, you can understand better watching that video. So now we go to third problem, third question. So you may take this one as screenshot, students. So to write in the classwork, to write in the notebook for examination purposes. So now we are taking another problem. Determine the refractive index of benzene if the critical angle is 42 degrees. Problem number 4. Problem number 4, that is determine refractive index of benzene. Refractive index of benzene, we want to find. N is a question mark. If the critical angle in this medium is, critical angle C is 42 degrees. 42 degrees. And we also note that sine 42 degrees equal to 0.66. So from logarithm tables, from logarithm book, you can take this value. So sine 42 degrees equal to 0.66. 0.66, children. So now we want to find the refractive index. We know the critical angle. relation between refractive index and critical angle. So sin c is equals to 1 by n. So this derivation also there in the previous video. The name of the video is critical angle. So what is critical angle? What is the derivation of critical angle? So what is the formula for critical angle? So how can we find the critical angle? So using a refractive index. So such topics clearly explained in the previous video. So the video name is critical angle in our channel. You can see and you can understand the derivation of sin c is equals to 1 by n, or n is equals to 1 by sin c. 1 by sin c. So this implies n is equals to 1 by sin 42 degrees. But you know sin 42 degrees value 0.66, and it can be written as 66 by 100. So which is equal to, this is 100 by 66. Children, 0.66 is written as eliminating a decimal point, and we are writing this one as a 66 by 100. 66 by 100 also equal to 0.66. So now 100 by, so it will be, so on dividing this is, so 250s, 233s. So n is equals to 50 by 33, and this implies refractive index for benzene is nearly 1.51. So this is the solution. On dividing 50, this one you can get the students 1.51. So that's all. Third problem. Few more problems are there in this refraction of light at plane surfaces. So these three are done in this video. So remaining problems will be in the next video, that is refraction of light at plane surfaces, numerical problems part 2. So there will be in the next video. That's all, students. Thank you. You may take this one as a screenshot to copy in the notebook for the preparation for examinations. So thank you, students.